Scott, people just do not want to hear there is more to come.
We're weather exhausted pretty much, and we have more on the way. This is what we saw with our Dallas City Cam, the time lapse this afternoon. That heavy rain continuing to fall, that then pushed its way off to the southeast. We're seeing a little bit of clearing out to the west, but that won't last all night long. So our weather alert in place today and also for Friday for rounds of rain and storms as we've seen today. Strong to severe storms possible. That has verified. Main threats, damaging winds, large hail and flooding. That also has verified. And the severity of the storms dependent on the previous storm complex that's still in the forecast. So what's going to happen tonight after we've seen so much rain move through? I still think there's the potential of more heavy rain tonight. You're looking at the first alert radar down towards the south and the east, and the rain is continuing to push its way southeastward. But we want to show you the effects again from our first alert storm chaser, Mike Prendergrass, who is out right now. You can see this is White Rock Creek. At one point, he was under 635 or trying to get close to 635 in Preston Central. You can see that really wasn't able to get there. The road closed, but he's able to show us how the White Rock Creek area is out of its banks. So definitely make sure that you remain safe as this flooding concern sticks around. Back to the map. So that heavy rain is continuing to slide its way down to the southeast. I want to back up the radar by about 12 hours. Complex of storm was coming in. We forecast that. We knew it was going to be happening. And then we continue to see these storms really develop. That was that round that moved through. Second round moving through over the same area. So we saw the flooding concern. At times, some severe thunderstorm warnings. We're seeing a little bit of a break as we're going into the evening hours. That heaviest rain right now is continuing to push its way down through parts of Anderson County and into Freestone County, where there still may be some winds gusting up to 60 miles per hour. Across the Metroplex, between 2.5 to almost 5 inches of rain in parts of Collin County and Dallas County. You can see those bright pink colors showing the flooding rain that we saw over a 6-hour period, anywhere between 2 inches to about 6 inches of rain. So it's not a surprise. We saw flash flood warnings continuing for Kaufman County, parts of Ellis County, stretching our way down through parts of Navarro County, Bosque County, Hill County, all the counties that you saw in blue. I widened out the view to show you that we have dry line storms that have developed out to the west. Why am I showing that to you? It's the same pattern, because when I put the upper level winds on, you can see they're flowing down to the southeast. That northwest wind flow aloft means our rain coverage goes up to 70% again late tonight into the early morning hours. Flood watch remains in effect, I should say, along I-20 and north all the way through Friday evening. We're going to continue to see that cloud cover really hold together. So what's ahead? This. Here comes this complex of storms moving in late tonight between 10 to 2 to 3 in the morning. If this is able to hold together, dependent on the energy left over from the storms today, we could see some more flooding rain, damaging winds, and possibly some larger size hail. So I'm confident about that. What I'm not really confident about is how today's storms are going to be impacting tonight's storm complex. Just being very transparent with you, there's significant model disagreement. But that slight risk of severe storms is there. That switches then down to a marginal risk going into tomorrow. So it's a cooler day today, 69 degrees our temperature right now. Your first alert 7-day forecast shows our temperatures are in the low 80s tomorrow, 60 to 70% coverage, dropping to a 50% coverage as we start out June. We will see a little bit of a break in this rainy pattern by the time we go into next week. Highs back into the low 90s with rain chances at 20%. We'll be right back.